That's crazy.
Deep.
No.
Look how deep that is. That's a deep hole.
Very deep hole. We got so many trails we could ride back there. Your car's buried.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least them a foot up there on front.
Yeah. Dang, look at that. That's a lot of snow on there.
Oh, sorry, people. I didn't wake you up.
No, their lights are on.
The lights are on. Yeah, you can't even see the tree stump right there.
Down there, foot deep right here.
Oh, yeah. Easy.
Yeah.
Look, by the trees right there, definitely at more than a foot. It's usually where it's the deepest. This is like a winter wonderland. Look at it. It's like somebody either left the washer on and put way too much shampoo and it overflowed. And all this is just a bunch of soap suds. Or the marshmallow man exploded. It's like marshmallow
I
everywhere.
remember that one.
Yeah.
Marshmallows everywhere.
Yeah.
I'm surprised some of these trees are still hanging on.
Do you see how white this is compared to the last time we came through?
Yeah.
Like everything's way more white. And the trees are hanging lower.
Yeah.
Wow. You should go down the hole and come back. You could do that, can't you? Or you think it'd be slippery?
Now what hole?
The pink trail. Do you think you could do the pink trail?
Oh, the Dillon graveyard?
Yeah.
Yeah. You
We
could
go
do
down
that.
there.
Yeah, you
Some of
could
that
do that.
limb's hanging a little too low for me. Or some of it's going to get a little wet right here.
That's perfectly fine.
Right.
Look at this. Oh! This is amazing.
Oh my.
Wow.
I don't know
Look
what y'all,
at,
but that was cold on my ass.
Johnny, look at this.
I went on the back side. I ain't going through this shit.
This is crazy. Are they behind us?
Yeah.
Just go. Just go, Johnny. Just go. Look how low these trees are.
We're going to be covered.
Yeah.
Just do it. Just do it.
I ain't doing
Look
Do
at he's
it.
already got a bush or tree on the front.
it. I ain't doing it.
Do it. Why not?
Oh,
Here, well, I'll shake it
I got,
for you.
I got my
You want me to shake it for you? I'll shake the tree.
I got my lights up there. You'll have to tear them out.
Ooh. They're like, crap, we're gonna...
What are you doing?
He wants to turn around. He doesn't want to go
I
through
ain't
that.
going through all that shit.
Watch him
You
do
get
it.
covered in snow in a heartbeat. Pull up a little bit.
He's going through it. No, he ain't going through it.
Well, I don't know if he's going to be able to turn around. Are you going that way?
No, it's gonna get worse. I know it. Already been through there.
Look at the sky. It looks pink and crazy colors. Look through the trees. Why does it look like that? Johnny, look at the sky.
I can't see.
Oh, it looks pink. I've never seen it look like that. Pink sky. There's a cut through in there. If you go that
Oh,
way.
yeah, I've been around.
It's a winter wonderland. What's that song that goes, winter wonderland song? How does it go?
I don't know.
Hell, and a crosshair.
Oh, yeah, look.
Yeah.
What the heck do you think that was? A bunny rabbit?
I don't know. 30 feet, you're good. If you want to go back.
That tree back there?
Nope. Not for about 20, 30 feet.
Where'd Brandon go?
He backed up in the woods.
Yeah.
I think he's gonna back up.
Deep. Oh, you're good. We're just making sure you're all right.
We all done.
He's just turning around.
This way?
Yeah, coming back.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
It's right there. How deep it is?
What's he gonna do?
It's right,
He's turning around. He said
right-
he's good.
right here.
Right there?
That's how deep
Yeah.
it is.
Crazy. It's a deep hole. Yeah.
Where you got the snow there?
It's unreal.
Not an incline. It's so much easier to see things when the snow's not in your face. Look. Created a trail.
Should've cleaned the trail out all the way around.
Yeah.
It would've been better. Then we wouldn't have had so many overhangs.
Yeah. True.
Oh, so.
We're right in my eyeball. Who knew it could be this beautiful?
Yeah.
I had no idea. Making your own trail right there.
Well, I go this way all the time. I keep it beat down.
Oh, my.
Oh yeah,
Sometimes I
you're.
go right through that part.
Oh yeah, that part's cool.
Yeah.
And sometimes I'll go right through here.
Yeah. Oh, look at somebody did tracks here. You see
Yeah,
the track?
what is
That's
that?
whatever that was that come across right there.
Looks like a rabbit, maybe.
Oh, I don't know what the heck it was. It was getting it through the snow.
Yeah.
Whatever that
Forward
trail
drive.
was, it come out and went up the road on the other side and went straight up that road that way.
Huh. That'd be a deer dragging his feet or not picking them up. I don't know.
There's
Yeah, I
no
ain't
way a
no clue.
deer's feet were that close together, though.
No, that's, I don't know what that was.
I thought it
ain't
was like a
deer.
rabbit or
It wasn't a
something.
deer. I don't know what it was.
Yeah, something short-legged.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something real short legged.
Oh, snow.
Yeah.
It's like an armadillo walking through it.
Oh, there's the
They
dirt.
got a little
Yeah.
stick backing up that hill back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it took me a little bit to turn around.
Where are we going now? I love how it
Oh,
keeps
follow
following like
that
that.
tree.
I wanted to go around the circle that way, but nope. I would have loved it.
We'd be covered in snow.
I know.
Yeah.
It'd be fun though.
You got a graveyard? Oh, you better
Oh
really get
yeah,
out
the
there.
graveyard.
Hell
We
no.
went there.
Huh?
Not out there today.
Why?
This morning, because I've been getting stuck and sitting there grinding and driving through this shit. It's like driving in sand, it just wears on it.
Oh, where's the battery now?
I mean, I go crank up the Jeep.
Good. Roll the windows down and take the Jeep out there.
Roll the windows down.
Why would we do that? There's a heater in it.
Yeah, really.
so we could see stuff.
Huh?
Said we roll the windows down so we could see stuff.
Oh.
Well, the heater would
I told
melt the
Brandon
snow
we
off the
could-
windows.
I told Brandon we could put some blankets back there and sit in the back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we could do that.
Yeah.
I'm
Well,
down.
we can sit back there. We already sat back there.
Yeah, I've cleaned it out in case somebody wanted to. I don't know what's back there now.
Snow.
Besides snow.
Go put this back and we can all get in your dad's.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
Go back to your place and leave your golf cart there. Then you could just get back there.
Yeah.
Alright. I don't care. You need to put gas in that?
I still got. Oh, no, that son of a bitch will run forever. go to the river back 2-3 times, no problem.
Oh, the river's beautiful down there. Holy
Yeah,
cow.
no problem. It's got a little less than half a tank.
I don't care.
Yeah, I don't care either.
All right.
I'm trying to warm my hands up.
You ain't gonna get no warmer driving down there.
Oh, at least she's got gloves on now. You have gloves on? Yeah, he's got
Yeah,
gloves on.
back then.
Taylor's so excited. She's like, let's go everywhere.
Yeah.
I loved it. I'm seriously so glad we went to the river today. It's beautiful. There's like an iceberg in the river. A Florida iceberg is a log that's sticking out of the water and covered in snow. It looks like an iceberg, but it's really just a log. This tree is like about to, all these trees are like toppling over. They're like, what do we do with this heavy load? I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
How freaking fun is this? Look at the depth of the snow. I'm still freaking, and then by our greenhouse, still bewildered and look at the depth of this. Just insane. The garden totally covered. Yeah. Just like, there's some footprints right there. Yours, probably. I was looking for deer prints, and they were so easy to see. When they wouldn't even be out here, they'd probably be down in some hole, keeping warm. I wonder if your gloves would make it better, easier for Johnny, because they're like water resistant.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh, you can try them. I don't know if it fit on.
I don't know. They're pretty big, but they're maybe not that big. No mailbox. He hasn't gone anywhere. They're all big.
It's left a couple times, but
Oh, is he? What? The fence has white in the actual like wires. There's snow in it. Crazy. I'm kind of glad you tied up the fence the way you did.
Yeah. It's true. It could have fallen over.
Oh yeah, I definitely would have fallen over. Look at their cars covered. Telling Brad, it looks nice over at Ronnie's now.
Where?
Shorty's house, because all the junk's covered up. You can't
Oh,
see it no
white?
more.